a misdemeanor firearms case against the husband of former Los Angeles County District Attorney Jackie Lacey has been dismissed, his attorney said Tuesday, after he finished a diversion program to resolve charges that he had aimed a gun at 3 unarmed protesters in March 2020. The criminal case against David Lacey was set to be dismissed after he performed 100 hours of community service and attended anger management and gun safety classes, according to the terms of the agreement approved by Superior Court Judge David Stewart last year. He was also barred from possessing a firearm for the duration of the agreement, which was slated to last 18 months. But the case was dismissed early after Lacey completed the program's terms, his attorney, Samuel Tyre, told City News Service. Tyre did not reply to a phone call or emails from the Times requesting confirmation and comment. David is happy this matter is behind him, Tyre told City News Service. Lacey was charged with 3 counts of assault in August 2020, about 5 months after he opened the door to his family's Granada Hills home with a handgun aimed at the demonstrators, who rang his doorbell as part of a pre-dawn protest against his wife. The state attorney general's office handled the case because Jackie Lacey was serving as LA County's top prosecutor at the time of the incident. "We have a 67-year-old man who has otherwise led an exemplary and productive life," Stewart said during a May 2021 hearing, adding that diversion was apt. Melina Abdullah, co-founder of the Los Angeles chapter of Black Lives Matter and one of the people held at gunpoint by Lacey in 2020, previously decried the arrangement as too lenient and called on the judge to bar Lacey from possessing firearms. She has also said Lacey was being handled with kid gloves and argued a defendant without his political connections might have faced felony charges. Tyre said last year that the diversion agreement allowed his client to avoid the risk of a jury disagreeing with our position even though he did not believe Lacey did anything wrong. "He's never been as much as arrested before this case," Tyre said. "This is an absolutely appropriate and fair disposition." In March 2020, Abdullah was leading a group of about 30 protesters angry about Jackie Lacey's repeated failure to meet with black activists who had challenged her record of rarely prosecuting law enforcement officers in the shooting deaths of unarmed men and women. She and 2 other protesters approached the family's front door,